Create a beautiful side dish by whipping up some feta cheese, roasting carrots and placing them right on top of them with some zested lemon. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and then peeling your carrots. Then, carefully cut the carrots in half lengthwise, and if you want, you can cut them in 3-inch sections or keep them nice and long for a beautiful presentation. Once the carrots are prepared, place them in a 9x13 baking dish, making sure that they're not overlapping too much so that they can all roast evenly. Set the carrots aside and prepare the glaze by melting some butter in a small saucepan and adding in some minced garlic. Place on medium heat until the garlic starts to sizzle in the butter, and then add in a couple tablespoons of honey. Here I'm using creamed honey, but you can also use liquid honey. Once the garlic starts to take on some color, take the pan off the heat and right away pour the glaze on top of the carrots and use a spatula to toss them in the glaze before it sets on the cold carrots. Season the glazed carrots with some sea salt and some freshly cracked pepper, then place in the preheated oven for about 30 minutes, tossing them around every 10 minutes until nice and roasted. While the carrots are cooking, place the drained feta in the bowl of a food processor, and to that add some olive oil, some zested lemon, and a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Place the lid on the food processor and start to pulse all the ingredients together, scraping down the sides, and if the mixture is too thick and doesn't blend, you can also add a little bit extra olive oil, about a tablespoon at a time, making sure not to add too much liquid to the whipped feta. Once you've got a beautiful, light and airy whipped feta mixture, you're ready to serve. Place the feta on a large serving plate, and use the back of a spoon or your spatula to spread it on the serving plate. Then place your roasted carrots right on top of it with that beautiful roasted garlic, some fresh lemon zest, and freshly chopped parsley. Find the full recipe at FrenchKidsCook.com.